Men always remember a woman who caused them concern and uneasiness. You live but once, you might as well be amusing. A girl should be two things: who and what she wants. You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. A woman can be overdressed, but never overelegant. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. Nature gives you the face you have at 20. Life shapes the face you have at 30. But at 50 you get the face you deserve. I don't know why women want any of the things men have, when one of the things that women have is men. How many cares one loses, when one decides not to be something but to be someone. Dress shabbily and they remember the dress, dress impeccably and they remember the woman. There is no time for cut and dried monotony. There is time for work, and time for love. That leaves no other time. Where should one use perfume? A young woman asked. Wherever one wants to be kissed. Since everything is in our heads, we had better not lose them. A girl should be two things: classy and fabulous. You live but once, you might as well be amusing. It's probably not just by chance that I'm alone. It would be very hard for a man to live with me, unless he's terribly strong. Elegance is not the prerogative of those who have just escaped adolescence, but of those who have already taken possession of their future. The two men I've loved, I think, will remember me, on earth or in heaven, because men always remember a woman who caused them concern and uneasiness. Elegance is refusal.